Blue's Clues. One for me, one for you. A book about sharing. Hi there, it's me, Joe. I'm glad you're here. Tomorrow is sharing day in Blue's classroom. Blue and I were just talking about what she should bring in to share with her class. Oh, great idea, Blue. We can play Blue's Clues to see what Blue wants to bring to her class for sharing day. Will you play too? Great! Keep your eyes out for Blue's paw prints. They'll be on the clues. Look, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper have a cookie for me and Blue. How thoughtful. There are two of us and only one cookie. What do you think we should do? Yeah, we should share the cookie. Let's break it into 2 pieces and we can each have a half. Great thinking. Hey, do you see a clue? It's the color orange. I wonder what orange thing Blue wants to take to school tomorrow for sharing day. Let's go outside and see what Shovel and Pail are up to. Hi, Pail and Shovel. Looks like both our friends want to play with the same toy. Gee, what do you think they should do? Yeah, they can take turns. First, Shovel can play with the toy. Then, Pail gets a turn. Sounds like a good plan to me. You see another clue. Where? We have our second clue, and it's a house. What do you think Blue wants to take to school tomorrow that's orange and has to do with a house? Hi, bird friends. What's going on? One bird has 2 seeds, one has 1 seed, and one has no seeds. They want to divide their seeds so they each have the same number. Gee, will you help? Oh, great job, Blue. Blue sorted out the seeds and gave each bird 1. Now they all have the same number of seeds. Hey, did you see our last clue? It's a person. We have all 3 clues. You know what that means, right? It's time to go to our thinking chair. So our 3 clues are the color orange, a house, and a person. What could Blue want to bring to school tomorrow that is a person, has the color orange, and has to do with a house? Let's see. Maybe the person wears the color orange and lives in a house. Like me. Hey, Blue, do you want to take me to school tomorrow? Yeah, she wants to take me. We just figured out Blue's Clues. I can't wait for tomorrow to come. Now it's sharing day. Blue's turn is next, and she's going to share me with the class. This is so exciting. Hey, thanks for helping me to figure out Blue's Clues. We had fun sharing with you. See you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.